straight and should be easy. Too many elements with assembly of these elements was out of tolerance. Hello on the channel. What I wanna do right now, I wanna try to fit the first front on this drawer. No, idea was simply just screw the drawer from this side, so it's easy and should be easy. But if you have access from the top, right now I can move out to this worktop. It's not bolted, but I have so shelf here, so I went with drawer like that. I have no access. So idea was maybe clever, but with how to do it is a different story. I don't know, and even if somebody have a good idea, I don't wanna wait. So I will try to do something. I have to find any possible solution. Okay. What I found is not very clever or very sophisticated, but let's try it. I use double-sided tape and stick drawer front. It should be enough strong to just a bit drill holes, just marking holes. Or I clamp it with this double-sided tape and drill the hole. I don't know yet. Anyway, of course it's not enough strong to pull, but I have some access and I can push this drawer from back. This is for this drawer. For bottom I have no access from back. Okay, so let's try with it. Okay, this double side tape keeps quite strong. Generally, this middle one, no, this top one was the worst. It sucked my energy. Okay, so follow. I don't know. Let's say looks acceptable. looks straight. Let's say it looks acceptable straight, but fiddling to get these results was incredible, just incredible. First of all, this is from many videos earlier I told, so I made mistakes, so I made the carcass from the cheap ply. It was mistake because it was a bit bended, and later on, together with this famous parkside square, which was not square, all these all these two things, maybe was that. It's great situation where too many elements and first of all assembly of these elements was out of tolerance. And right now I have moment when I can only disassembling everything and make new carcass. And problem was, so I can do it, yes, not happy but I can do it, but problem was I start cutting doors and all of them are not perfectly square because of this parkside square. So beside the carcass I have to make the new doors because it's hard to fit, you know, not square doors on square carcass, so I have to make a new carcass also not square. Doesn't make a sense, so I try to do everything what I can to fit it right. It's still not perfect, I see some imperfection, it's not visible too much. The biggest problem for me right now is here, this gap. Who knows, maybe I can solve it, maybe not. And also it's a few small imperfections which I for this moment don't know how to solve, because it can be solved, but I try to find the way fastest the nicest. But anyway, this is the results. Looks nice. Here should be doors. I have these doors, but I have no proper hinges. I have some heavy duties, too big for them. And on the bottom, because this drawer should be a bit different, and I have everything. Drawer is not assembled because maybe I wanna lower